3 simple steps that you can implement today and start seeing a difference tomorrow. Step 1. If there's a habit that you have in your life that you do not like, point it out. What is it? Step 2. What is the habit you would prefer to do instead? Name that. Step 3. Get up every single day and do the new actions that mirror the new habit you say you want to do. But Angela, if it was that easy, why is everybody not doing it? We are already doing it. We already get up and do the thing we don't like to do. We get up and we do that habit every single day, and we complain about it. That's what keeps us stuck in the old. So in order to break free of the old, you must practice the new. You can't say, well, I don't like that, and, okay, you don't like it. What do you want to do now? Do you want to change? What behavior would you like to do instead? That's the behavior you do day in and day out until it becomes your new way of living. All it requires is for us to, step 1, name the problem or the habit. Step 2, name the new behavior you would like to do. Step 3, get up every day and do the new behavior. Much love.